Hi everyone, it's Anna from Tech Hut, and today I've got episode 3 of the Budget Setup Transformation series. In the last episode I put together most of the new setup, but as you can see I didn't do any cable management. So in this episode I will be doing all of the cable management and also adding a small LED strip to the back of the TV/monitor. For the cable management, I will be using a 2-meter black LTC cable tube by Label the Cable to bind some of the cables together, some small cable ties, and to hide the 6-socket extension lead, I will be using a large D-line cables tidy unit in black. The link to buy the cable management products and LEDs will also be in the description. So now it's time to tidy up all of these cables. So as you can see, I have now finished with the cable management. It took me a very long time as most of the cables are travelling to different pieces of tech. But I'm really pleased with the outcome and it was definitely worth doing. So now it's time to add this 0.5 meter strip of multicoloured USB LEDs to the back of the TV/monitor. I bought these LEDs from eBay and they cost around £5, which in my opinion isn't bad. First I'm going to plug the USB part of the cable into the back of the TV and then peel off the black of the LEDs in order to stick them on securely. These LEDs have lots of different colours and a few modes such as fade, and personally I think they look really nice as they also match the LEDs on the keyboard and mouse. And last but not least, the chair I'm going to be using for the setup is a standard black and silver folding chair. So that's everything for this video. However, if you have any suggestions or finishing touches for the setup, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. And in the last part of this series, part 4, I will be doing a full tour of the setup in depth. So thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this.